How to buy Roblox Premium with credit card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this detailed video tutorial, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of purchasing the Roblox Premium using a credit card. It's crucial to pay close attention as I demonstrate how to navigate to Roblox website or app to complete this transaction. By following those instructions, you can easily access a variety of packages, including premium options tailored to your needs. Whether you choose a basic or premium package, rest assured that payment with a credit card is seamless experience. Select the premium option that suits your preferences. Proceed to the payment section and opt out for the credit card payment method. Once you have entered your credit card details, including the number, expiration date, and security code, ensure that you agree to the terms and conditions before finalizing the purchase. If you desire a receipt, provide an optional email address for the confirmation, verify the total amount, taking note of any applicable fees, and ensure that your credit card has sufficient funds to complete the transaction promptly. Upon successful payment, you will instantly gain access to your Robux Premium plan, offering you the flexibility to manage it at your convenience. I trust that this comprehensive guide has been beneficial in assisting you with purchasing Roblox Premium using your credit card. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to show your support by liking and subscribing for more informative content. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.